Guess what, everyone? We are going to the village today!
Yes, a sudden trip to Grandma and Grandpa's house.
The village? Today? Today? Really? Right now?
Yes! Pack fast, we will leave soon.
And don't forget the gifts.
The gifts are ready! I wrapped them myself.
Good job! Let's go!
The village. I see cows walking slowly.
I see goats eating grass. I see green fields and crops.
I smell fresh air. Leo, are you dreaming again? Yes. I love village life.
Everyone in the car.
Yes. I love village life.
Seatbelts on.
The city is loud. The village is quiet.
Look! Tall buildings are gone now.
I see trees and open roads. Wow! So many fields!
Ah! Farmers are working.
They are harvesting crops.
Look at the golden plants!
The road is bumpy. The car is shaking.
What happened? What happened?
Oh no! Stop! The tire is punctured. I will try. We'll try.
Can you fix it, Dad?
What? Okay.
We have time. Stay calm.
I am a little worried. I am a little worried.
It's okay. Let's walk.
The village. The village is near.
Walking feels nice. The air is fresh. Look, a cow. And baby goats.
Hello, little goats.
The fields look beautiful.
Grandma will be happy. We have a special gift. What gift is it?
It's a surprise, but I can give you a hint.
A shining moon lamp. It glows softly. Grandma loves the moon.
My children!
You are here. Oh!
Surprise!
We missed you. We missed you.
Grandma, this is for you.
Oh, thank you, dear. Oh my! It's so bright!
Moon. It is like the moon.
I love it so much!
Come inside. You must be hungry.
Yes, we are.
Fresh milk for everyone.
Warm bread and butter.
The butter is soft. The milk tastes sweet.
Village food is the best. Tomorrow, we go outside. We learn from nature.
Yes, yes! We see farming again.
Night falls.
Let's sleep outside.
Under the open sky.
The stars are shining. So many stars.
Village nights are special. I feel peaceful.
Good night, stars. Good night, village.
Family time is precious.
Together is best.